All right, my people, welcome back onto this channel. Thanks so much for subscribing to this channel. Our prayer has been that the good Lord will continue to support you all in all your endeavors as you keep supporting this channel. Amen. All right, my people, this is another one reaching us right now. Well, on to the news we are getting right now. There's been a lot of distractions in the Oduduwa Nation movement, and then onto this one. Chief Sunday Igboho has finally dragged Okanlomo over the attack, over the invasion of Kasmo Media. All right, as you can see his picture, this is the man called Okanlomo, and then onto this one, majority of people are not happy with the development on ground, and then this time around the Oduduwa Nation agitators on their own part are not taking it lightly with the said Okanlomo, and then onto this, majority of people have asked, what has Kasmo Media done to deserve the death threat? Well, with the news reaching us, Okanlomo had invaded the house of Kasmo Media last night, and then as it stands, with the information reaching us, it was gathered that Kasmo Media was not injured and he was not captured, but there was a security guard that the security personnel, the security person that was by the gate was brutally attacked. All right, and that had been the information that are being gathered. Well, majority of people are not happy with the situation on ground. That what exactly is going on right now? Why is it that some set of people have made themselves to be enemy of the Yorubas, and meanwhile simply said this set of people are still Yorubas? No wonder the Yorubas have been talking about the fact that there are some traitors in the Yoruba terrain, and then this time around, according to what had been gathered, Koiki Media had actually raised an alarm onto this one, and then he has said a lot of things, and he had been able to reveal that this man called Okanlomo had been able to vow to attack the house of Kasmo, to deal with Kasmo Media, of which it actually happened. And then we saw a video whereby Kasmo Media was calling on all his colleagues to come to his rescue, and the majority of people have actually after then related that back to the threat that Okanlomo had given earlier, that he was going to deal with Kasmo Media, that it would not take him more than 200,000 naira to deal with him. Well, according to the news reaching us, majority of people are frowned against this, and then in fact, a majority of people, most especially the Oduduwa Nation agitators, are frowned against Okanlomo. Many things are actually being said, and the majority of reactions we have gathered so far onto this one. All right, my people, our prayer is that the good Lord will continue to protect us all in this country. And meanwhile, Koiki Media have been able to talk about intimidation of Nigerians, okay, intimidation of Nigerians against Nigerians, and that's exactly why the people are talking about the fact that Nigeria as a country cannot save them because there is no security in the land. No wonder the people onto this have been like, let us separate from this country, because this country, if we continue to stay in this country, we can never have any form of security, and that's exactly what it is. All right, so according to reactions, okay, and then somebody is saying that Olori Buruku ni Okanlomo Odale Homo Yoruba. All right, so and then that one had been said by Jimo Aliu. All right, so according to Isaac Barua onto this, he said, well, Okanlomo must be arrested for life threatening. Okay, Okanlomo to be arrested and then persecuted. Gbogbo Yoruba Nation self-determination campaigners should stand at alert now. That's another strong one we have gathered so far, that all Yoruba Nation self-agitation should come out and stand at alert now, because nowhere is safe according to as far as the country Nigeria is concerned. All right, my people, and then a lot of things had actually been revealed, and then on to another one. Omiyale on his own part had been able to raise an eyebrow against this man called Okanlomo. All right, and then some set of people are of the opinion that you people should stop calling him Okanlomo. You should call him Eranlomo. All right, that's serious. All right, my people, exactly what the people are actually talking about. And then this time around, the Yoruba agitators in the diaspora, onto their own part, are not also relenting on this matter that Okanlomo must be brought to book. Okay, my people, I think everyone right now needs to be very careful, wake up on this matter, because you don't know who is who. And then this time around, somebody is saying that yes, so right now we have known who our enemy is. Now, right now, we have known who is for the Oduduwa nation. Forget the fact that some set of people are Yorubas. Most of them are not supportive of the Oduduwa nation. And then, according to what had been gathered, it had been gathered that Okanlomo is not in Nigeria. He is based in the United States of America, and that's where he is operating from. All right, and then as it stands right now, the Oduduwa nation agitators are not taking this lightly. And with another news reaching us, it has been gathered that Chief Sunday Igboho is not happy about this situation. And meanwhile, somebody is of the opinion that this is exactly what they are now doing to the Yoruba nation agitators, and then in the end, nothing will happen, and you still want us to remain in this country whereby there is no security for the people. No wonder the people are still insisting that Oduduwa nation no going back. And then somebody has raised the case of Kokoro, who was murdered in Chief Sunday Igboho's house of recent, and it has been gathered that up to now nobody is saying anything. In fact, no one has said anything about the death of Kokoro, and the majority of the agitators have frowned so much against this development that nothing must happen to Kasmo Media, or else many things will go wrong. And then onto this one, onto it, Saheed Iwe on his own part also actually has come out to raise an alarm onto this, that henceforth, if that is what they want, we will henceforth be sleeping in the house of Kasmo Media. Let us see how many people they want to attack in the house of Kasmo Media. Well, my people, this is another strong one reaching us right now on our table, and we cannot stop by not letting you understand what is going on in the Oduduwa nation terrain. All right, my people, Yoruba nation no going back. Exactly what the people are still talking about. Onto this one, my people, what more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, my people, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are new on this channel. All right, thanks and God bless.